Hi, I'm Sneha.
Hi, my name is Hari Kalyan.
Okay, so I want to just ask you a few questions about Crio. So you're a user in Crio. So I'm going to ask you basic questions like give me an intro about yourself first.
My name is Hari Kalyan. I graduated in engineering. It's electronics and communication background. The fun part is I was actually a business development associate in Crio.
Okay.
I served here for around 6 months. Yeah, I think because I used to call everyone every day now, there was one statement from each and everyone, like, there was a lot of demand in the market that they want to get into the software development, and that made me realize to rethink my choice in the career. And then I started taking the course, and it's been like around 12 months approximately. Yeah, now here I am.
And so how was your overall experience with Crio?
It's a go-to platform for the freshers, I would say.
And so how was your overall experience with today's campus drive?
Yeah, it's definitely good. I would say this is where we can have visibility. Like, let's say I'm a learner, and if I'm trying to ask a person and he's trying to convince me that you have to take this course because there's a lot of people, and we have this one question: how will Crio guarantee us job? And now, when we have this mock-in drives, we can see her visibility. I think this is one of the good exposure we could also get. Like, we would also be a lot of companies who had come into, and they were having the standard procedures. Everything was standard. There were a lot of technical rounds to go through. We have to go through each and everything, and then the preparation before that, like we used to give certain preparations, and after that we have to get into this. So I think it was a good ambience, a good environment.
So one piece of advice for all the Crio users you would like to give?
In the software domain, I would say that you have to be learning. So that's one thing I would say.
Thank you so much. It was very nice interviewing you today. So, and it didn't exhaust you, I hope. I guess it did a lot, right? Have so many companies, the entire day you were here.
Yeah, there were a lot of companies, yes.
Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Thank you.